This video walks you through how to assign a matter to another attorney in Clio Manage. Begin in Clio Manage and look to the left sidebar where the main navigation menu is located. From there, select Matters to open the list of matters in your account. This takes you to the area where you can view and manage individual matter records. If your list is long, take a moment to locate the specific matter you want to update before moving forward. Once you have found the correct matter, open it to go into that matter's details page. This is the record you will be updating, so make sure you are inside the matter that needs to be reassigned. The matter details page includes the settings and information connected to that file, including the fields that control who is responsible for it. With the matter open, move to the upper right corner of the page and click Edit Matter. This opens the editable version of the matter record so you can make changes to its details. If the page refreshes or takes a moment to load, wait until the editable fields appear before continuing. After the Edit view opens, scroll down until you reach the Matter Details section. This section contains the core information for the matter, and it is where the attorney assignment can be updated. Move through the page carefully so you do not stop in the wrong section by mistake. In Matter Details, find a field labeled Responsible Attorney. Click the drop-down for that field to view the available attorney options connected to your account. From that list, select the attorney you want to assign to the matter. Make sure you choose the correct person before saving, since this field determines which attorney is listed as responsible for the matter going forward. After you have selected the new responsible attorney, go to Save Matter and click it to apply the change. This updates the matter record with the new assignment and returns the matter with the revised details in place. If the system takes a moment to save, wait until the update completes so the new assignment is fully recorded. At this point, the matter should reflect the attorney you selected in the Responsible Attorney field. If needed, you can review the Matter Details page to confirm that the updated assignment appears correctly after the save has gone through. This is useful when you want to verify that the change was applied to the right matter and that the responsible attorney now matches the intended assignment. The matter is now assigned to the selected attorney in Clio Manage.